Hi everyone. This lesson I'm going to show you how to use your pencil as a measurement tool to create a fairly well proportioned drawing of Chuck Close's Bob. So this is our worksheet. I'm right-handed, so I'm using this one. There's also a left-handed version. What I'm going to do is use my pencil to make some measurements every 5 to 10 centimeters or so. So this is my first measurement. I put my finger where that measurement should be, and I make a dot. So I do this all the way down. There's another one there. There's another one there. So I'm very carefully putting my thumb on the length of that part of Bob's face. And then I'm sliding it to the other side, putting my finger so I don't lose my place, and I put a little mark. So what I'm actually doing is making a join the dots type drawing. This is his neck, so I'll do the top of his neck, and I'll do the bottom of his neck. And then now we're doing his shoulders. There we go. Now I'm just going to very lightly join those dots. These are guidelines. We put detail last. We only put very sketchy lines to indicate the proportions at the beginning, and these can be rubbed out, and they can also be edited and changed a bit. Now you'll notice that Bob's face actually starts here and it goes around here. So I'm going to measure his face, just his face. There we go. So this is his face. Again here, here. Notice I'm doing it every 5 centimeters or so. This bit here is a bit confusing because it's all hidden in shadow, so I'm just going to sketch it in. That's his chin, but it's hard to see. So by scribbling it in, gives me a better indication as to what the measurements should be. And now I can join Bob's face. And haven't done his fringe yet, so we'll do that as well. Here. And then we can just sketch the rest in. Okay. A very tricky part of this drawing are his glasses. So let's start with the bit around the nose. So we know that the glasses start about that far from the center of the page. So we're going to start his glasses on that side. So I'm going to make a mark there. Now, you can use your pencil to indicate a line where the glasses, where the top of the glasses are. So that's about here. And the bottom are about here. And then finally, the actual width of the glasses, we can measure those. It's about that much. So we start there. So we're going to end the glasses there. And now I'm just going to use my eye to try and replicate what I see. It's not fantastic, but I have an eraser at hand, so I can actually do a better job of it, see, and rub out my mistakes. Okay, so there's my glasses. There's one anyway. I can rub out anything that shouldn't be there. And I can add this part as well. Okay, now the eyes. So the eyes start about that far from the center of the page. So this eye must be the same. So we're going to start it there. We're going to get the top of the eye, which is about there, the bottom of the eye, which is about there, and the length or the width of the eye, which is about that long. So it should end there. So that's giving us some points to work with. Then it's our job as an art student to just get the shape right within those guidelines or those guide points. Okay, and so that's where the eye goes. Okay, and then we can draw other parts of the eye. The pupil, or rather the iris, is a perfect circle. So if you want, you can draw a whole circle and then rub out the bits that are hidden by the upper and lower lid. Okay, and that will give us a better shape than if we had tried to create this elliptical shape. Okay, so there we go. Now I think I've given you enough instruction for you to be able to draw your guidelines this lesson. Give yourself a lesson or two to do this, and next lesson I'll show you how to put more details in. Thank you.